Now the West Indies got their T20 World Cup campaign off to a winning start, beating Scotland by 35 runs in Group C action at Eden Gardens on Saturday morning Jamaica time. As Gerard Morris-Seeley reports, it was the brilliance from the Guyanese pair of Shimron Hetmyer and Romario Shepherd that set up the victory.
Scotland won the toss and asked West Indies to take first knock in match 2 of the ICC T20 World Cup. Brandon King with 35 from 30 deliveries alongside Shea Hope, 19 from 22, laid the foundation for the Windies, combining for an opening stand of 54 before the skipper fell in the 9th over. But it was the third wicket partnership of 81 from 37 deliveries between Shimron Hetmyer and Rovman Powell that sprung life into the Caribbean side's innings. Hetmyer blasted the fastest half-century by a West Indian at the T20 World Cup, raising his bat after 22 balls on route to a top score of 64 of 36. Powell contributed 24 while Sherfane Rutherford added 26 from 13 at the back end to push West Indies to 182 for 5 of 20 overs. Jason Holder got the wicket of Michael Jones for 1 to put an early dent in Scotland's pursuit of 183 before Romario Shepherd claimed his first wicket with the score on 31. And though the Windies spilled a few, they managed to produce magical moments in the field. Captain Richie Barrington, 42, and Tom Bruce, 35, with a 78-run fourth wicket partnership, pulled things back for the Scots, guiding them to 132 for 5. With 50 runs needed from 23 deliveries, Romario Shepherd placed things right back into the Caribbean side's favour with a hat-trick of Matthew Cross, Michael Leask, and Oliver Davidson, before adding Safayan Sarri for good measure to end with a career best 5 for 20. Holder then claimed the final wicket of Mark Watt for 15 to end with 3 for 30 as Scotland were dismissed for 147 with 7 deliveries to spare, and the Windies secured their first points of the tournament.
We started the tournament, this is a World Cup we're playing. Yes, you got to look at what happened in the past, but the main focus right now is to start the tournament well and continue the momentum for as long as we can. See how deep we can go in the tournament. Hopefully at the end we can be lifting the trophy again, as you mentioned, similarly to what the guys did back in 2016.
West Indies will be in action again on Wednesday against fellow two-time champions England at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. Gerard Morris-Seeley for TVJ Sports.